Hello, I have made yet another nice little application. I've made this a while ago, but I finally want to release it to the public. It is a tool for Dungeon Masters of D&D 5e. You could probably use this for the new D&D Next. And I have a series of commands that just really help Dungeon Masters alike, and there's some stuff here to also help players for some of their decisions. So, for example, it's pretty common to just have like a random tavern in town, and they might just ask for something. Well, right here you can see I have a name for the tavern. It gives you the services. This comes from the official Dungeon Masters module. They have a little optimization thing, but it does all the roles for you. And there's no food menu because it's drinks only tavern. And then it says a bunch of drinks set up here. I used some syntax to make it kind of easier for what's what. It has a description, what it is, how much it costs, and it'll split it up per thing, and it's all ephemeral, so if you want to hide it you can do that. But there's a bunch of other commands you can go ahead and do. So like if you want to do adding, sure, but one thing that I found kind of annoying for like whenever a player or dungeon master does something, it's like, okay, so someone's paralyzed. Well, what does that mean? Well, it means that they're incapacitated, which means you have to look up for yet another rule. And well, an incapacitated creature can't take actions or reactions. It just very, very clearly says it. And well, here's the nice thing. It gives you every list right here. So if we do unconscious, for example, I have it here. It'll just split it up for what's what, because there's multiple of them. And it gives little indentation here that it's specific other key terms, and it gives it so you don't have to look it up. Another really nice tool, other than just kind of randomly doing stuff, if you want to run Electrum, we'll say you have like 50 Electrum, and you want to know how much gold that is, bam. It tells you how much that is because it's at a 2.5 conversion rate. It's just kind of annoying to do. But just boom, it does it for you. It's really annoying to use, but if you get it, it's there. I've got custom rules for drinking, half damage if you want, some joke commands. But more importantly, let's say you have a level 5 individual. You don't know what kind of reward to give it as a DM. Boom. It looks at the tables. It tells you what you rolled in your D100. And it says you get this much EP and this much GP on average. And then it gives you the total rolled. Pretty simple. Or, well, let's not do loot here. There's a bunch of other slash commands. They can go ahead and use magic shop. Cool. I only want to spend 500 gold on whatever magic items. Oh, here's every magic item that's 500 gold and under. Tells you if it requires attunement. Super, super helpful, right? Max gold. Oh, look. Oh, I don't want anything that requires attunement. Cool, we'll do 500 gold and we'll say false. Doesn't require attunement. Oh, look. Smaller list. Super easy for shopping and looking at stuff. I only have like some of the super basic in the core rulebook items in there, but still can be pretty helpful. I have a thing for reporting bugs. Not sure what stuff to take. So let's say you're a wizard and you want recommended 3rd level spells. Oh, boom. Here you go. Recommended spells. I didn't set that one to ephemeral for whatever reason. I can probably do that later. And just a bunch of other stuff. Weather. Let's see, you want temperate, and it's in the winter. It's going to give you a full-on weather report. Some of the rules are kind of iffy on 5e. They're not very descriptive, so I did take some liberty on my own and look at some other tabletops to see what they do, like Pathfinder. But it tells you exactly what it is. It tells you what the penalties are, the checks required, if there's any checks. It's just random weather if you need it. Any sort of tool. There's just a bunch. I ignore this one. This is for the personal campaign I am in. I did not put that in the released GitHub. But this is available to be added as a bot to your Discord server if you want on top.gg. I will have it in the description below. And yeah. Have fun. Use it the way you want. I hope it makes your life easier as a DM. I know a lot of people do stuff remote, so take care.